When we're adding in other bases, we really just need to keep track of a couple things. One of them is how addition works. Remember, addition is kind of the extension of counting. And then two, we need to watch out for what place values are. So if I want to take 6 base 8 plus 5 base 8, what I think about is, well, 6 base 8 plus 5 base 8, 6 plus 5 is 11, but that's 11 base 10, okay? I can't just write 11 up there. That's not going to be correct because 1 base 8 would be 1 8 and 1 more, which is 9. This is supposed to be 11. So I need to change 11 in base 10 back to base 8. Well, 11 base 10 is 1 8 and then 3 more. Right, 11 is 1 8 and 3 more. So 3, carry the 1, bring down the 1. This is 1 3 base 8. So in octal, 6 plus 5 is 1 3. 6 base 8 plus 5 base 8 is 1 3 base 8. Okay, let's do another example. I want to take 3 1 base 4 plus 1 2 base 4. So I'm going to start by trying to figure out what this rightmost digit is. So I have 1 base 4 plus 2 base 4. 1 plus 2 is 3 base 10, but that's also 3 in base 4, right? 3 is less than my place values, my base of my system, so I don't need to go up. This is just a 3. And now I'm going to take 3 base 4 plus 1 base 4. That gives me 4 base 10, but that's not right because I can't write the number or the numeral 4 in my base 4 system. This is actually 1 4 and 0 more base 4. So here I need a 0 to carry a 1 and then to bring that 1 down. So 3 1 base 4 plus 1 2 base 4 is 1 0 3 base 4. The way you can check this is actually by converting everything to base 10, but I'd advise you to do that as little as possible because by getting your hands dirty, you'll understand it better than if you go straight to that system. But we can do it quick here. 3 1 base 4 is 12 and 1 more is 13. 1 2 base 4 is 1 4 and 2 more is 6. 3 plus 6 is 19. That is 16 and 3 more. That's a 16. 0 4 is 3 more. So that one checks out. We did that correctly. Okay, let's add here. I've got base 6. So the first thing I wanted to do is take 3 base 6 plus 5 base 6. That gives me 8 base 10. I don't want my answer in base 10. I want it in base 6. I see that 8 is 1 6 and 2 more. So I'm going to put a 2 down here and carry the 1. So now I want to take a 1 base 6 plus 4 base 6 plus 2 base 6. That gives me 1, 5, 6, 7 base 10. But in base 6, that's 1 1 because it's 1 6 and 1 more, 4, 7. So 1, carry the 1, bring the 1 down. I get 1 1 2 base 6 for this sum. All right, our next one is in base 2. Here I have 1 plus 1 base 2 is 2. I guess I can do this. 1 plus 1 is 2 base 10. Let me write it so that it's actually separate things. 1 plus 1 is 2 base 10, but that's 1 0 base 2. So 1 plus 1 is 0 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 1. Bring down the 1. This sum is 1 0 1 0 0 base 2. One more example here in hexadecimal. So here, remember, it never hurts to have your little cheat sheet that you can make every time, or you can just have somewhere handy. Okay, so there's what these are all valued at. So I want to start with 6 plus e base 16. That's 6 plus 14 base 16 is 20 base 10. That is 116 and 4 more. So this is a 4, and I'm going to carry a 1. Now I have 1 plus a plus f, which is 1 plus 10 plus 15, is 26 base 10. 26 base 10 is 116 and 10 more. So this should be an A, carry a 1. And then 1 plus 3 plus 9 is 13 base 10, which is, I see from over here, D, base 16. So this should be a D. So this sum is D, A, 4, base 16.